Hi guys, welcome to the Mountain Home Cocktail Hour. You made it to Friday again, congratulations. So we're going to make a fun new drink to celebrate. This is going to be a nice, simple one. We're making variation on our martini, which is, as we all know, an elegant drink for a more civilized time. This one's super simple. You don't like vermouth? I got you covered. First things first, we're going to talk about our glassware, like always. So we all know the classic martini glass shape. The design has a stem which allows you to hold your drink without the heat of your hand overheating it and watering it down. Nice broad lip allows all of those nice aromatics to hit your nose as you sip, and you can get your whole face in it. Without further ado, here we go. We've got our old friend, the Boston shaker. And what do we do with this? Of course, we know ice goes into little glass. 1, 2, a little bit more for good measure. Here we go. All right, so we know volume of a drink, we're shooting for 3 ounces plus or minus. Today, we're going to go with a little bit heavy on the vodka, our old friend Reka, in spirit of the season. This is going to be clean, it's going to be crisp, just like the snow outside, right? So we're going to go 2 ounces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom, right in there. Our next spunade is going to be Montgomery Distillery Aquavit. If you've never had Aquavit, you should check it out. Don't necessarily commit yourself to a full bottle. Go down to your local higher-end bar or steakhouse. They should have something, or at least an aquavit similar to it. Now, if you don't know what it is essentially a clear grain distilled spirit that's infused with caraway and other botanical herbs. Very distinct flavor, and again, crisp, clean, but that caraway sweetness shines through really strongly. So we're going to go 1/2 ounce there. If you don't like it in a martini, you should definitely try it in a Bloody Mary. It is a whole different world of flavor. So we said 1/2 ounce there, and then we're going to do our substitute for vermouth with the Odin's Eye hop-infused honey syrup. It's got the sweetness, it's got some of the body like a vermouth does, but it doesn't have that vermouth flavor. 1/2 ounce there. 1, 2, into the glass. Quick tap. Okay, now we talked about this, right? Small into big. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Quick pop, and then we shake it. All right, who remembers when we stop? We see the frost line? Done. Here's our trick. Break that loose. There we go. Hawthorne strainer in. Here's our martini glass. And as always, we use a double strainer because those small ice chunks can get into your drink and overly dilute it while you're sipping, which is no bueno. We're not trying to go there. There it is. The other nice thing about martinis is if they're not overly complicated, you know, you're not talking like a chocolate espresso martini with double whip and grated chocolate on top. They're fast, man. You can rip these out to a room full of guests and be ready to rock. Olive garnish. If you like blue cheese, definitely do a blue cheese stuffed olive. I don't, so I won't. But that's the other nice thing about making your cocktails at home. You can do what you like. And there, friends, is a crisp, clean, quick, elegant pre-dinner drink. Skål! Yeah, that'll do.